You know what I think? I think my power bank is pregnant. Yeah, it's getting bigger every day. Okay, now let's get right into it. Plug this in, press this conveniently black button, and last time it did something. Well, yeah, last time it did move a bit. Oh, shock me. Yeah, this is a water effect ripple kind of effect thing. Yeah, if you hold a piece of paper here, you can see it's quite a nice effect. But I want to fix this. Oh, let's unplug this. This is bright. I have to put a resistor into this. Yeah, the problem is it has a shorty wiggle somewhere. Let's take a screwdriver. That's actually the right style. While the video is running. So let me waste your time. I think this is not a speaker grill, but by the intensity of this light, it's probably just a air hole. I did see Big Clive here on YouTube take something similar apart a while ago. Oh! I think it is not broken at all. Was that just... 1 second please, as he says. Let me plug this in again. Inconveniently turn this power bank on, and now... Oh! Ha! It wasn't broken. Okay, this was a... here you can see the effect. Nice. Oh! Okay. Oh, that's quite nice. Don't we have blue? No. Well, unusual. This is a little contact sensor here. And I thought it's just a defect in the wire, but yeah, the wire is totally fine. I'm not the first one. I picked this out of a box with recycling electronics to be recycled. Obviously someone else thought the same thing. Yeah, you have to press this button to get it engaged. Yeah. Yeah, let's see how we can open this. Is this probably glued together? Yeah. Let's take the fingernail. Yeah, scritchy. The noise is crunching. The beat is punching. Ooh. Yeah, we have freed it. And now we can see how it actually is constructed. We have a little motor here. Let's plug it in back in. Has a little, wherever it is. Oh yeah, it's doubly. Have to switch on this power bank, and then I can switch it on. Okay, let's go to the orange light. It's not that brutally bright, but yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, it has a little ripple disc, just like the surface of this, that turns via a little servo here. We got a metal circuit board. This hole here that has absolutely no purpose. Turn it off. Oh, I'm blind. Like my camera. Permanent camera eye damage. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Yeah, it worked. Let's unplug this. Okay. As we are in here, I won't be evil and not show you. Let's take this screw out. Oh yeah, it's quite a fat LED here. Oh! Exciting. There is a lot of technology to this. The motor is plugged down here and this little thingy. We got the 2 LEDs. 8-pin microcontroller for the switching. A bunch of resistors. Few onboard capacitors. That is quite interesting. Yeah. Those LED. Yeah, let's turn it around so the writing is oriented the right way. If you wanna take a better look at it, that's your chance to get a screenshot. Yeah, the circuit board is clearly sized like the ones in a LED bulb, but it has the little motor attachment under it, which is a bit loose. We should tighten those screws a tiny bit, but it's definitely the same type of manufacturing like those LED bulbs. Perhaps the kind of bulb that has a camera in the middle. Yeah, we have this hole here, which probably was just another disc option. Yeah. What we can do to mod this whole thing is we can do this right now. We might just simply put, not so simply maybe, doesn't matter. Yeah. We put a dab of nail polish, not on our nails, but simply on the white LED, you know. And if we plug it in, then turn on the power bank and hit this button, you got a nice watery blue light. That's way eye friendlier. It should give a real nice underwater effect if you play this in a dark room. Not in a dark room, in a dark room. Only red light in dark rooms. Not talking about red rooms. I mean, yeah. We will put a bit of super glue on here to keep it sealed again, but for now we don't matter because we don't care. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is actually really nice. Let me get this piece of demonstrating paper. Yeah. Oh, this looks like something out of original Star Trek. Yeah. Yeah, the effect is really cool. And this little bit of blue paint gives it this nice iced effect. I should have super glue somewhere here. which means I won't find it anyhow. Oh, here we got another power bank. Where is it? Oh, here is it. Okay, let's turn this off. Oh yeah, the orange. This is now mixed orange and... Wow! The blue really gives it a nice note. Yeah. If you have one of those, just gently open it and add a tiny little drop of... Yeah, that's the inconvenient part about those touch sensors. Yeah, why not just a button, right? Okay, now let's just dribble a dipple of it on here, a little dab of it on here, and that's absolutely enough. We don't need more. I've just dropped the lid. I put it on. And it won't stay because I don't know why. Is it keyed? Oh yeah, it seems to be keyed. Oh. Why? Yeah. Now I can try, and then it is fixed. I really love how it turned out with the blue, and yeah, it's not broken at all. Let's pick up the lid of my super glue. It was not broken at all. It was just a good old user error. I mean, how could I expect it to have a touch sensitive button? It's not. It's absolutely unnecessary. But yeah, the blue makes it so beautiful that I will put it into my bedroom and fall asleep to ocean sounds and water waves on my ceiling. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time here on SBC, SB Cinema.